Today, we'll learn how to use AI for voice generation,
including how to clone your voice and create AI voice audio.
We'll focus on ElevenLabs, exploring both.
Its free and paid plans and cover everything
you need to know from start to finish.
So let's get started. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. You can add text and it will generate the AI voice. Let's talk about ElevenLabs, a fantastic tool for converting text to speech. If you need high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers for your projects, visit their website at ElevenLabs.io. You can sign up for an account by clicking on Sign Up. You can also sign up using your email address or continue with Google. We will click on the Continue with Google button. Write your name and include some basic information. Now, the ElevenLabs homepage will be displayed in front of you once you're logged in. First, let's talk about the free version. Here you get 10,000 characters per month. This is the user interface, and you will find two options: text-to-speech and speech-to-speech. First, we'll talk about text-to-speech. Here, multiple voices are available. You can click on each one to listen to the voice. Let's go ahead and listen to the voices.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
as we are liberated from our own fear.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Our distrust is very expensive.
One of the most famous voices here is Adam's voice. Now simply select this voice, paste your text and click Generate, and listen to the result.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech AI, like and share, and click on the bell icon.
You can easily download it by clicking on the download button. In addition to this, many other voices are available. You can see them on the top left side, and click the voice button. Here, multiple famous voices are available. Next, click on the library and you can see all the voices. You can also search for a voice that suits your niche. I am typing horror and here are the results for horror. You can further filter the options and select the tone, such as whether the voiceover is for storytelling or conversational. Now let's listen to the sample.
The heart has its reasons which reason knows not of.
One of the advantages of being disorderly.
I like the dusky voice, so I'm adding it to my voices. Just click Add to Voice. Enter the name of your voice and click on Add Voice. Then go to the home page and check My Voices to see that the voice has been added and you can use it. Go back to the library, click on the filter in the top right corner and select the category, choose gender, age, language, and accent. Now, many voices have appeared after applying the filters. You can use any of the voices from these options. Now let's explore the speech-to-speech option. Click on Speech-to-Speech. Upload your voice, listen to the available voices.
Life isn't about finding yourself.
A single rose can be my garden.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end, may also be the beginning.
Now let's listen to your uploaded voice. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. You can add text and it will generate the AI voice. Then, select the voice and click on Generate Voice. Finally, listen to the result.
ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. You can add text and it will generate the AI voice.
You can see how accurately my voice has been completely changed into a different voice. Now you can download it by simply clicking on the download button. Now let's talk about the third option, sound effects. Click on sound effect. Now here, we can generate our desired sound effects. For that, just type a prompt. Now write a prompt, a deep, eerie whisper, ideal for adding a chilling atmosphere and suspense to your horror scenes. Then click on Settings, and you can adjust the duration of the sound effects, or it will automatically set the duration for you. Then click on Generate Sound Effect. It will take a little time to generate. Now, it has shown the results and generated 4 sound effects according to our prompt. You can simply download them by clicking on the download button. Now let's listen to the sound effects to see what kinds have been generated. You can see that it has created excellent sound effects. We can generate sound effects by giving any prompt. Now, the projects and voiceover tool are paid features. We'll discuss them later. For now, click on Dubbing Studio. Then, write a name for your project and select your video language. Next, choose the language you want to dub the video into. I'm selecting Spanish. You can upload from YouTube as well as from TikTok, X, formerly Twitter, and other links. I'm uploading from my computer. Then select the video and click the Create button, and video dubbing has started. After processing the video, click on the Download button to download the video. The dubbing is complete. Now see the result.
ElevenLabs es un generador de voz con IA. Puedes agregar texto y generará la voz con IA. Primero hablemos de la versión gratuita. Aquí obtienes 10,000 caracteres por mes.
Result is amazing. It has dubbed the video very well. The next feature is Audio Native, which is a paid tool that we will discuss later. The following feature is Voice Isolator. First, let's watch a demo to see how it works, and then we'll give it a try.
Need to remove background noise from your video? Use our new Voice Isolator model for crystal clear audio every time.
Now let's try it out. Upload your voice. Now click on Isolate Voice and wait. After processing, listen to the result.
ElevenLabs introduces Audio Native. Now, any web page can come to life with narration.
See the difference between both voices.
ElevenLabs introduces Audio Native. ElevenLabs introduces Audio Native.
You can hear how the background noise and music have been removed from the voice. It's amazing. Now let's talk about the paid features. Go to Voices and click on the Add a New Voice button at the top right side. You can see that the instant voice cloning and professional voice cloning features are paid options. Let's discuss the paid features in detail as well. After signing into the paid version, click on the Add a New Voice button at the top right side. For instant voice cloning, you need to keep a few things in mind. As mentioned below, clone a voice from a clean sample recording. The sample should contain only one speaker. The sample should be over 1 minute long. The sample should not contain background noise. Now click on Instant Voice Cloning. Write a name for your voice. You can either record your voice directly or upload a recorded sample. I have already recorded a sample, so I'll upload the sample voice now. Then write a description. Check the privacy policy box. Then click on Add Voice. Our voice has been successfully added. Now click on the voice and use it, and write a text. Then click on the Generate button. After generating, listen to the voice.
With ElevenLabs, you can clone your voice and use it in any project. This means you won't need to do voiceover recordings repeatedly.
After this, download the video by simply clicking on the Download button. You've seen how simply and quickly the voice is cloned. After that, you just need to provide your script, and the complete voice will be generated in your voice. It's amazing. The next topic is professional voice cloning. Click on Professional Voice Cloning and read all the instructions on how to record your sample voice, including microphone position, background noise avoidance, and volume control. The minimum recording length should be 10 minutes, and for better results, aim for a 30-minute recording. You can upload recordings up to 2 hours long. After reading the instructions, check the Terms and Conditions box and press the Start button. Write a name for your voice and choose the language. Then upload your voice sample, write a description, and click on Create Professional Voice. After that, the voice will undergo verification. Once the verification is complete, it will be professionally uploaded. After this, now let's talk about the projects.
Introducing Project, your end-to-end workflow for crafting audiobooks in minutes. Whether you're starting from scratch, pulling from a URL, or uploading EPUB, PDF, or TXT files, Projects has you covered. With your text in place, you can convert everything to audio with the click of a button. If you want to mix up voices in your audio, you can now easily assign particular speakers to different text fragments.
Chapter 1. The Bus Stop.
Hey, do you know when the next bus is?
Mateo asked.
I think it should be here now.
If you need to fix a section, Projects lets you seamlessly regenerate parts of audio without disrupting flow or intonation.
Hey, do you know when the next bus is?
Divide your work into parts to focus on one fragment at a time. And if you need a break, simply save your progress and pick up where you left off later. Project also seamlessly integrates with professional voice cloning, voice library, and our multilingual model. So whether it's a pre-made voice, a voice from our community, or your own voice, you can use them all to generate long-form content in multiple languages.
Tutto iniziò a girare nella sua stanza.
The next feature is Voiceover Studio. Click on this, write a name and upload the video. Then click Create Voiceover. Now you're in the Voiceover Studio timeline where you can create voiceovers for 2 or 3 characters. First, select a character, click on Settings, and choose a voiceover artist.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Then go back to the text box and write the text for the first character, and click on Generate Audio.
Hi Jack, how are you?
Now add a second character's voice track. Click on Settings and choose a voiceover artist.
Gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty.
Then go back to the text box and write the second character's dialogue. Then click on Generate Voice.
Hi Lily, I am fine.
Let's play the video and see how it turned out.
Hi Jack, how are you?
Hi Lily, I am fine.
In this way, you can continue adding dialogues and complete the voiceover for the entire video. In addition, you can also add SFX tracks and upload pre-recorded audio from your PC. After completing the voiceover, simply click on Export and download the video. This is the best tool for creating conversational videos. The next paid tool is Audio Native. Click on Audio Native.
ElevenLabs introduces Audio Native. Now, any web page can come to life with narration.
A year ago, when Volodymyr Zelensky received a hero's welcome in Washington.
To set this up for your website, go to elevenlabs.io/audionative. Choose a voice.
Hi, I'm Alice.
And I'm Chris.
And I'm Brian.
Customize the look of your player, and copy and paste the code we give you onto your website. And then sit back as we convert every article you publish into one your audience can listen to.
In a remarkable display of compassion and determination.
It can track your metrics and watch your engagement grow. Your entire site can now become a podcast on demand. Narrate your content today with ElevenLabs Audio Native.
We've gone through all the features of ElevenLabs, both paid and free, and discussed them in detail. You can use ElevenLabs for free, but if you want to access advanced tools, you'll need to buy a paid plan. Here are the packages offered by ElevenLabs, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. We've covered all the features of ElevenLabs. You can start for free, but for advanced tools, you'll need a paid plan. Be sure to subscribe for more detailed guides and tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.